Horizon Rush event unlocked. I get I have a new race band event
The crowd's
game.
waiting. Head to the showcase event and I'll get the stunt pilots to run their flight checks.
Let's go. Going to the stunt like thing. What is it called? Is it like the air stunt? I think it is.
I think we're racing an airplane.
Or are we
That's
actually?
my guess. I don't actually know.
Ivan. Benton, I turned your voice down on OBS.
Right.
Doing the flight event with Benton. Benton, I'm starting it.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm driving on the sidewalk.
Forgot, I have a Red Bull like livery on my car. So we're driving a 911 Dakar. Let's go. Benton's horror farming, guys. Again, like
What?
he always does. When the robot noises.
Huh?
Huh? Oh. Can we start it again? We have 5.4 miles of, I guess
You know,
driving.
the fact that it doesn't have a class, I feel like that's a...
The fact that it doesn't have a class, I feel like it's an airplane. Benton, it's an air show. They should have made the class airplane. The class is the airplane. In classic Forza game fashion, we are driving, we're driving next to airplanes. 'Cause why not? We're not being dropped out of one this time, though. Hey, but can we not land on me?
Whoa!
Bro rode my rear wing. I think you missed, Benton.
No, it was just a drift cut. Just a little
Oh,
drift
it was?
cut.
Aye. Going through the bamboo forest of Japan. This is honestly heat.
It is.
Love it. Actually, I don't think I've ever been on this road. This is the W road, though. I hit a wall. That's sharp corner. I still miss it. I actually don't know if I did. I don't think I did. We got a lot of two-player link things there. That would give me a headache if I was in that airplane. That does not seem fun.
Hey, you can take the tunnel this time. Watch your clearance.
It's only fair you took the forest. Okay,
Are they going through the tunnel?
He's taking the tunnel. The airplane's going to the tunnel.
Oh no. Oh, hey, Benton. Ow. I'm going for that corner. I got blinded, bro. This is not even my fault. Honestly,
I can see coming out of the tunnel. It gets me every time when I come out of the tunnel.
oh, Sam. Yo, how is this man's wing not damaged? How's his wing not damaged, bro?
in position for helix maneuver, ready for
Oh yeah, I need to take a screenshot at some point of this. For my thumbnail. I need to take a screenshot of the airplane at some point. Big jump. I'm very surprised there was not a cutscene there. You know, it's a Horizon event, so would not be surprised if there is a cutscene somewhere soon. almost hit each other. Are they gonna hit each other? That's something that's happening.
I don't think that's the goal here, though.
What?
I don't think that's their goal is to hit each other. I don't think that's the goal, man.
Why not, man?
I mean, why not?
W.
I guess they don't want to die.
What a crowd pleaser. Up against 2 stunt pilots.
What?
Still
Wait.
pulling out of the bag. Well done.
Nice. We are unlocking the next like set of Horizon events. Honestly, I have no clue what the next Rush event is either.
How many days have we played this game? We're already.
I don't know,
Like 3 or
honestly.
4? Not that many. Since last Tuesday.
Yeah, since last
actually more than
Tuesday, we've
5.
been on every single day.
Yeah, since last Tuesday. Oh, we got more Tokyo races.
We do. My game's not loaded. I mean, you cut
But,
this.
I mean, literally one more.
You know what? This is a W.
It is S1. We have S1 race.
We have S1 races now. Let's go. Oh, also, I think I know what my thumbnail is. If my game would load, bro. Thank you.
1 orange
Expert. Let's go.
Started to draw
We have the
quite
orange
crowd.
wristband now.
A new wristband awaits you
Are we
behind the
racing a
entirely
rocket
out
ship?
of this World Rush event. Here are the new events
Where's
you
the
can
next
take on to
one?
qualify for it, pushing you even
Oh.
closer to legend
Oh, that's a lot of
status.
PR stunts. Yo, man, I think we should use that one car.
Oh my. Where's the next one at?
Bottom. It's at the space station.
Yeah, we're definitely racing rockets. Okay. We're going.
Oh, wait, oh, there's actually. Wait, do I get the 911 Dakar? Yeah, I do. Let's go.
Oh,
Oh.
we do get it.
We do get the 911. Now we're going to well, I'm gonna go over to my Tokyo. Like, where's the Tokyo house? Hey, it's over here. Is it? No. Hey, Benton, where's the Tokyo house?
Oh, we get to claim the super wheel spin.
Oh, wait, never mind, I found it. The super wheel spin? From what?
For wristbands events.
Yeah. I got a new, like, house.
Dang! I almost got a GTR. Oh, wait, I
Forza
got a
edition?
Civic.
Benton's so happy over Civics. We love it. We love it, though.
Bro, I have like 5 Civics now, Dylan.
Yo,
Alright,
I
once we get
have
5K,
I have 7 of the like the 22B.
I almost just got another Civic, Dylan.
Really?
I'm gonna get 5K this time though. Don't worry.
Yeah. If anyone
250.
if anyone
take
here
that.
has watched Fast and Furious, you will know what my garage is. It's so cool. I downloaded this off of the like store thing, and I think I have some pretty nice.
Bro, I actually got 5K.
Let's go. I think I have some pretty nice cars in the background, you know. I have an S2000 and a R34. So, has any of my audience like played this game? Because I'm already enjoying it. Nice. Yeah, but basically, yeah, this is Han's garage from Tokyo Drift. Someone rebuilt. It's actually so cool. And also, hey Benton,
What?
you want to go do Discover Japan things?
Yeah, we need to get orange.
What?
We need to get orange stamp.
Oh yeah.
I only need like 100 more. Or 1,000.
I need.
Wait,
I
there's a
need
road
200
I gotta
more.
discover. Hold on, there's a road I gotta discover.
So you need 1,000 more?
Yeah, I think.
I'm fast traveling to a a race for oh my, I cannot English, holy. Have you discovered the road?
You can go and start it.
I'm gonna go with my Viper real quick. My Viper. This Viper's amazing.
Wait, so what do I race?
Civic.
You still recording?
I am indeed still recording. I'm gonna record this race, and then probably record another video over getting barn finds, because why not?
Where's the stick? There it is. If I watch
Waiting
you race
for
the
next
Civic
race.
against supercars.
I'm in a Viper, so.
Civic's just the best car to ever be made. This is how it is.
I'm in a Viper with a, is it 8.3 liter V10? I think it is. It's somewhere on there.
I don't remember anything I put in mine. I remember putting semi-slick tires. That's it.
Brother.
I remember nothing else.
Oh, don't worry. I downloaded this tune. This is like a time attack tune. I have no clue what's
I
on
have
this.
no idea what I've done to this Civic.
You can see me and Minton's level differences.
Yeah, you ate cakes.
I did. Oh my, that Civic is crazy. Does anyone
Did you watch that?
Yeah, I did. Well, there was that WRX.
We both just gapping them.
I did. Nice. That sent me off the cliff, Minton. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I touched
No, actually,
you a
that
little
helped
bit, but I
me.
had to.
You got me perfect
It
line
helped
there.
me.
Man, that view is actually amazing. Holy, going like you can see Tokyo in the left-hand side of your screen.
Well, I'm getting
Oh,
gapped because there's not enough turns.
Not enough turns, guys.
Yeah,
Not enough
yeah,
turns.
because of haircut. Albert better move out of my way, bro.
I'm gonna send up the inside on this spoon wash. And I just get, yo, bro, Albert moved out of your way and then and then he sent it on me. I missed a checkpoint, by the way.
Who's chopping down trees, Dylan?
Me. I'm in the checkpoint. It's fun. Yo, has anyone had a problem with Bowie knife 99? Yo, why are all the street races raining, bro? I'm on slicks.
I don't know why, but the Civic just loves the rain.
Oh, it does?
Even with semi-6 on it, it is not fair.
The Viper loves to hit steps. I sent it a bit too wide and hit a step. Wait, did we win?
Yeah, if you don't lose place.
Let's go!
It's just not good at the straight parts.
Alright,
cuts
that's
out.
gonna be it for this episode. This is coming out like the day I'm filming it, so yeah.